In this video we will discuss about some shortcut like how to make chart. So if we have any table and we have to make any chart, so just press alt plus F1, you will get the chart against your table. So whatever the data is in your table, you will get the chart. Means you can make the chart just pressing alt plus F1. Like this you can have the data labels also on your chart. Now we came to trick number 2. See, this is the table which you have. If you need to copy and paste special from your keyboard, then what you have to do, you just only have to press alt plus E plus S plus V, but in this ensure that your alt must be pressed till the end. Okay, so alt must be pressed till the end. This dialog box will appear, and when you press V, it will come to values and your data will be pasted special in this. So alt plus E plus S plus V through keyboard. Now if you want to have filter in your table, so just press Ctrl Shift and L. So you will have the filter on your table. Again if you press Ctrl Shift L, those filter will be removed. So suppose like you have data like this and you have names and you forget to mention Mr. and Mrs. So a small trick, just mention one column with the name gender and write M for male, F for female. So through this, okay, and then you will use the formula of if. So if this particular cell is equal to M, okay, in apostrophe M, then what will happen? Mr. and your cell reference A2 in which name is mentioned, that will be added. Now the second if, that is if it is F means female, then Mrs. and A2 this name will be mentioned. So this type of F function you can use if you have to bifurcate or you have to add Mr. and Mrs. in the name. Now just press Ctrl plus D. In case of Ctrl plus D, this formula will be pasted on the selected cells. So Ctrl D is the shortcut to paste the same formula in the selected cells. Now if you want to do the sum, means sum at last, okay, so just press alt plus is equal to, so you will have the sum. Okay, you don't have to use the mouse, just use the keyboard for it. This is the very good shortcut. Now if this is the table and you have to select the data, just press Ctrl A, so you will have all the data selection on the same cells in which you have the data. Ctrl plus A. Now if you want to convert this particular data into table, so just press Ctrl plus T. When you will press Ctrl plus T, this window will appear and it will ask, does your data has headers? If you see you have headers, name, chair, fan, table, choose. So you just keep tick on it and you will press OK. Then your data will be converted into table. Thank you very much and keep watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.